Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Today we're going to make a simple and easy card with the Recollections paper pad. And I'm going to try to use these two pads that I bought as much as I can this month. And we're going to use, ooh, that one's pretty, I like that one. We are going to use this one right here. And you're going to want to cut out 3 of these stockings. And then you're going to jump over to this one and you're going to want to cut out this. And I'm going to cut this out with my X-Acto knife. So let me go ahead and do that. I will show you a bit of the process. And then I will do this off camera. So I'm using my Fiskars cutting mat and it is horrendous. So I'm sorry about this, but I use it all the time. I don't want to mess up my black self-healing cutting mat, so I'd rather use this one. And so like I said, this is a very easy card, and I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail, so you'll know what it's going to look like. So you just go around the leaves and just cut with the X-Acto knife, and anything that you don't get, just do it with the scissors. Very simple, easy peasy. While I'm doing this, I want to tell you guys a story, what happened to me. So I went to the store, bought some hair dye. So I thought it was the hair dye that I usually get. However, it wasn't. I didn't know that it wasn't until it was too late. And I guess I bought an ombre hair dye. And I've never used a ombre hair dye. So I figured, okay, well, you know what? I just won't put as much bleach, because it called for bleach. I saw the bottle and I was going to, you know, just not use it. But then again, I was like, I have to go out to dinner today and I need something to dye my hair because my roots are growing out and it just looked awful. And I didn't want to look awful, but I guess in the end I looked awful. Oh my goodness, you guys. I did a reverse ombre on myself and I couldn't fix it. I could not fix it because I had to go to this dinner. Yes, it was awful. So I'm going to go ahead and do this all the way around. And I want to put the stocking right above it. And so now what I'm going to do is use some ribbon. I got this at Michael's also. It's going to be red, and I want to make a bow and put it right above the wreath like so. I'm using some foam tape, and I got this at the 99-cent store. I went ahead and cut it to smaller pieces, so it's just going to be a strip, and just going to cut it along the way. Go ahead and use that. I also want to use this stamp from Stampendous. I want to use this one to wish you a Merry Christmas, and we're going to emboss that with Versamark. We're going to need the powder resistant for that, and we're going to use the embossing powder in Snow. So let's go ahead and glue this all together, or foam mount it all together. So I have my wreath right here, and I'm going to want to use a bigger size foam on this. Maybe, yeah, that one. So just position it where it looks best. And it looks like the bottom is the fullest, I believe, so we'll go ahead and use that. So it looks like this. Then we're going to put this one. I'm putting this one in the middle because it's missing the loop on the upper left hand side. The others have a loop like so. And so we're going to use this one. And so I'm just going to do a long one. These are so hard to take off. I do not like foam adhesive. It takes me forever to take the backing off. That one was fast. So we'll just mount it right here. And remember, we're going to put the bow on the top, so we need enough room. And I think these ones I want to just glue on. I ran out of double-sided adhesive, so I'm going to use the Zig Memory System, the two-way glue pin. I'm not too, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite glue. I love using my ATG gun. It's fast and easy and gets stuff done. So my hair is still reversed ombre. I have to fix it still. I went to the store today and I forgot to get dye, so hopefully I can fix it. Maybe I should just go to the salon. So what do you think about that? Let me go ahead and put the bow on the top. So I'm going to cut it long just to give me enough room. So it's going to be like so, and I'm going to cut the tails off. I'm going to leave the tails longer on the ribbon just so I know where I want it in the end. So we have this so far, and let's go ahead and stamp. Okay, so got the Versamark. I'm going to keep the sentiment. I'm not going to cut it. So just put a generous amount of Versamark on your stamp, and we're going to stamp it on the bottom right. And there it is. Now we're going to get some embossing powder, and this is the color Snow. I bought it at Michael's. I love this one. Forgot I had the ribbon loose. Just tap the card, get the excess off, and there it is. All done heat embossing, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it cute? It's cute. So we're going to put some snow all over this card, and I'm doing this with my gel pen from Hobby Lobby. I sound like a game host, and the winner is Hobby Lobby. So just put some little dots. This thing, now it doesn't want to work. Okay, need a scrap sheet of paper. You guys, I have so much scrap sheets of paper, it isn't funny. especially white, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them into ATC size cards and give them away because I feel so bad throwing all that cardstock away. And that's all I do, is I just toss it. It just goes in the garbage. And I'm not liking that too much. Oh, there it goes. Yay! Yay! So just put little dots everywhere. This is snow. It is snowing. This, and the wreath is outside, I guess. I'm loving how this card turned out. I like how the wreath looks too. It reminds me of a 3D sticker. Just really, really cute. I need to send this out. I'm going to send this one out so far. I've only made 2 Christmas cards. So this one's gonna go out. Phone cut out on me right when I was gluing the bow, so I went ahead and glued the bow with hot glue, just a very small dot of glue right above the stocking, and I made sure to show a little bit of the wreath at the top, and so there it is. And then the inside I went ahead and wrote "with love" with my gel pen. So that's the card for today. I hope I inspired you and hope you'll make your own card for Christmas. And thanks for watching. Bye.